Hey kids, welcome to Sukhada Simple Art. Today I am going to show you how to draw a scissor from number 9. Let's draw number 9 slightly slanting. Draw mirror image of number 9. Draw circles inside both the numbers. These are handles. Draw a base for the handles. Now let's draw the blades. For that, draw slanting straight lines crossing each other. Draw a screw. Give outline with black sketch pen. Use dark blue crayon for handles. You can use any color of your choice. For blades, use grey color. Your scissor is ready. Bye bye kids.